Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland 4-wheel drive, stock number B8875A, 41,000 miles, and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Cherokee brand new, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, along with a 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Outboard second row seats are heated. Split seat back folds flat to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, helping to give the Grand Cherokee 5-star front and side government crash rating. Trailer tow package. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. And very clean, as you can see. This Overland has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, push button start, large easy to read gauges with driver information system, along with customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Wood and leather wrapped steering wheel is also heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive with 4-low. Also has the Quadralift air suspension. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 75% tire tread left. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8875A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.